Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with David in the Kitchen. And today I'm going to show you how to make this mousse, dark chocolate mousse. Very delicious, very creamy. We're going to add 1 to 3 cups of water, and we're going to put this on, bring it to just starts to boil. 1 to 4 cups of cold water, and you want to add this gelatin pack, just 1 envelope to this. You want 2 to 3 cups of cocoa powder, and you want to sift it. Very important to sift it. You always want to sift your cocoa powder. I'm using dark chocolate on this. Okay, next you want to add 1 1/3 cups of boiled water into the mixture. Then you want to give it a good stir. Then we're going to add 2 cups of cold whipping cream to this cold processor. You want to make sure you get it cold. You can use a mixer or you can use a processor. And this time I'm using a processor because I kind of like it a little more. Anyways, we'll come back in just a minute. Okay, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar to the whipping cream. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, which I don't have with me right now, but so I'm using butter or almond extract. It'll work just as good. So it binds very good. Binds in the whipping cream. We'll come back in a few moments. To this chocolate blender mixture, and we're going to give this a good mix. Okay, we're going to take the mixture of all this chocolate right here. We're going to combine it into the whipping cream, into the processor. We're going to put it. Okay. Come back in a minute after I do this. Put our lid back on the processor. Look at that pan. Look at that pan. Come back in a few minutes and that's all combined, and I'll show you what this looks like. Oh my God. Look at that. Alright, that's what it looks like. We're going to do a taste test on that. We got this chocolate mousse. Look at that creamy chocolate mousse. We're going to do a taste test on that. Oh my God. It's so delicious. Very delicious. That is delicious. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to my channel, do hit that bell so you get all my notifications to my channel. Don't miss out on the video coming up, because I have videos coming up every day. Very nice videos. Y'all have a wonderful day, and y'all see you next time.